What's going on, everyone? Hey, welcome to the Make Money Show. And in this video, we always talk about education tips, tricks, and welcome to my other video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $100 to $200 by just watching YouTube videos. All right, sounds good. All right, so what I want you to do is always remember to hit that subscription button below, and always remember to hit the notification button below so that you may get notified for some of the videos that I'm going to be uploading. And hey, I want you to stick around up to the end, because of this video I'm going to be sharing with you two websites that you'll be using. And that first website is AdMe Fast, and the other one is Player App. And we are going to actually be taking a look at how you can literally be watching videos and get paid for that. So how does it work? And let's actually get started with the Play App the Play App site. And the Play App site, this is a site whereby you can come and you can buy and sell. It's a marketplace generally. Whereby you can come, sell your Instagram account, sell your YouTube account, sell TikTok account, and sell any other social media account. But right now what you're going to be focusing on is on YouTube. So you can come on Player App and open sell or buy YouTube marketplace, all right, market online digital shop, let's call it that way. But what you'll be focusing here is how you can sell likes, subscriptions, and comments to people's YouTube channels. So what you need to do is come and click here, and after you've clicked here, your accounts buy, sell, trade. So what you need to do, first of all, guys, you need to open up an account with Player App, whereby here's the login and sign up. You just come here, log in, and follow the simple details and simple steps that it will be giving you, so that you may be able to log in into the Player App site. Hey, make sure stick around with me up to the end, because if you don't understand the second step, which is using the AdMe Fast to get more points, so that you may be able to hyperlink your Player App with your client's link on AdMe, you'll not get it right, and you'll not understand, and it will not work for you. So stick around with me up to the end of the video, so that you may really understand how it really works very, very good. So here's your YouTube account. It's a buy or sell. So what I really recommend here is you open a sell trade account. A sell trade account will be very, very good, and you can come here and select one of these options or choose what do you want to sell. For example, let's take a look. This is 31 minutes YouTube account for sale. Someone is selling his or other YouTube account. YouTube comments for sale, buy or sell. So what you can do is we want to focus on YouTube views. All right, YouTube views. YouTube favorite for sales, buy or sell. Let's see if anyone is selling YouTube views. YouTube's likes for sale. YouTube services for sale, buy and sell YouTube services. YouTube shares for sale, buy, sell YouTube shares. YouTube subscribers for sale. Amazing. YouTube views for sale. So what will be happening is you'll create your own marketplace. It's totally free, and what will happen is you'll have your account here, and you can choose to sell it depending on what price you want to put it. So for example, let's take a look at here. 1000 HQ non-drop YouTube views only for $3. So for example, let's just take an example, and let's put that this was your account. Okay, this was your account, and what someone could come is this site gets a lot of traffic, because outside there companies are paying thousands of dollars and millions, so that we may get brand awareness, so that their YouTube social media channels may get more views, they may get more likes, and they may get exposed, so that we may be able to sell more products. So most of the people are looking for views for their videos, most of the people are looking for comments, most of the people are always coming here on these sites to search. So the moment you upload what you're selling here, let's talk about YouTube videos views, more views. Let's say for example, this is $3. The moment you click pay here, buy now, right, we want to go there. So how can you really able to now provide the person who wants the YouTube views? Okay, how can you really able to provide them with the views, so that they may be able to pay you that liquid money and get money from earning? So let's jump in now to the next step, which is AdMe Fast. AdMe Fast, what happens is this is the inside of it, but what you need to do is you need to open an account with Add Me First. It's totally free. You just need to have an email address, and after having an email address, you just need to put your password, and this is how it looks. You can take a look. You can also, if you have your own YouTube channel or you have your social media and you want to get more traffic, you can add your site or page here. So my site: subscriptions, buy points, daily bonuses, free points, Facebook likes, Facebook shares, Facebook followers, and let's go all the way to Facebook views, because that's what we are looking for. And when you click on Facebook views, what happens here is, the more views you're watching, the more videos you're watching, like what you're doing right now. You watch, just choose your favorite video that you want to choose, and let's take a look at example here. View this video for 150 seconds and get 40 points. So it really depends. So all you just, and this is very authentic and this is very real, guys, because as soon as I click the view video, you'll just see what will happen. It will take me to that person's YouTube channel and I'll be able to view. And this is actually how you are really able now to sell your views. Being able to be on this site, Add Me, it's totally free. Okay, that video is not available. So let's check another video. It's actually totally free. All you just need to do, guys, is come here, click on view video, and then it will take you to that video that you want to be watched. So what you want to do here is, the moment you get your client from here, the moment you get someone who wants to get more views from here, you can see this one has already 1,192 and it's 30 minutes ago. So it becomes very easy for you to upload it here, and make sure you have a PayPal account so that you may be getting paid. And hope you're getting to understand this, and hope you're getting to know how this works very well. So you just come here, you ask the person who needs more views and more likes. Right now you're focusing on views only. You ask them to give them their link to the video on YouTube that they want it to be watched. And what you want to do is, you just come here and add site. Let's click on the add site button, add site here. All right, and this is how it looks like. You just add their sites over there, and what you will want now, so that you may be able to drive more views to their site, what you'll be doing is, you'll actually be also watching videos. And this you can actually, most of the time you're watching different videos on YouTube. What you want to do here is just come again, let me repeat this, click watch videos, and then after you click watch videos, like for example this video, when you click view video, it will take you to a YouTube channel. Okay, it will take you to a YouTube, and let's see how it works. This is very, very real. Okay, for example, this is someone's video, 172 views, and this is just a video. Okay, you watch it. If it's not interesting, you can always feel free to skip it and actually come here. You need to just watch it for only 30 seconds, must play for 30 seconds only, 30 seconds only, and that's how you get to accumulate your points. You can see what has happened here. My points have increased to 258, and that's what you need, to just be doing all over again, over and over and over. Okay, hope you've actually gotten value from this video. Hope to see you on the next channel, hope to see you on the next video. Be blessed, and I'll see you. Make sure to hit that subscription button below, and also make sure to check the links in the comments below, so that you may get more valuable content on everything that you are working on. Cheers, have a good time.